Hey guys, so one thing is I'm starting my new channel where I'm going to talk all about my pets. And the first video is me putting Pebbles in her new tank. Check out the link below.
Hey guys, what's going on? So as you just heard, Brendan has started his own channel, so hop over there when you're done with this video and give him a subscribe, give him a like. Let's help get his channel off the ground. And for those of you who subscribe to this channel and get notifications, you may have noticed that our channel name has changed. We've been doing a little bit of housework around here and we have sort of upgraded our channel to be a little bit more birdy. We've changed the name, we've changed the banner, just so it kind of says birds more when you first see it. Nothing has actually changed. It's still us and Pillow and Pearl. We've just dressed it up a little bit differently, so it's just more birdy. Now for today's video, Brendan and I actually noticed something a little interesting. Since we've been home a lot, we've been doing a lot of wrestling on the sofa. Brendan wrestles with Kevin, he wrestles with me, and when he wrestles with me on the sofa, we've noticed that the birds, you would normally think that if two people are rolling around on the sofa and yelling and arms and legs going every which way, that the birds would want to turn around and go in the other direction. They would want nothing to do with that. That is not the case. We have found that the birds want to be involved. They fly over, they get right on the back of the sofa, sometimes they land on us, and we just thought that was really interesting that they were brave enough to come over when we're in the midst of all this chaos and want to be part of it. So we documented that because we thought it was interesting, and then we sort of tested their courage in a few other ways as well to see how brave they were, and here you go.
They look scared. Oh, I think he threw a shoot off his head. Oh.
out by yourself for? You left her all alone. Goofball. Can you go back downstairs? The pillow's waiting for you. So those are our brave birds. Don't forget, click the link below to head over to Brendan's channel, give him a like, a subscribe, whatever you want to do over there to help get his channel off the ground. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time.